Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily sell cryptocurrencies or how you can close trade in Etoro. So let's start. First, what you want to do is go here and click on portfolio. Now you're gonna see here like your cryptocurrency that you got, and I got like sell Bitcoin or buy Bitcoin. And what you want to do is let's say that I got buy Bitcoin. Okay, so you can see that I invested. I got $173 in loss, and what I'm going to do, I'll click on close trade. Here you can also close part of the trade or everything. I will close this one. Damn, good night. So this is how I did it, quite easy, and you can do it with everything. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. But yeah, this is how we can sell cryptocurrencies and also how we can close trade. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.